These Instagram Reels are getting more popular every single day, and that's because about 90% of people in the world are car lovers. So this niche is going to stay alive forever. Look at this Instagram account, reach at 11,000 follow with only 20 video, and this one reached at 24,000 followers with only 66 Reels. But the funniest part, you don't need any 3D software to make this type of animation. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step using 100% free AI tools for writing perfect prompts, turning them into images, giving them motion, and finishing with a clean, professional edit. Let's start today's video. So here are all the prompts and all the pictures I provided as references, so you can copy them and use them exactly the same way. And by the way, T2I means text to image, and I2V means image to video. Don't worry, I'll put all the links in the description. Alright, for image generation, we'll use Whisk AI. Open your browser and go to Whisk AI. Now you'll see an interface like this, and here's what we need to do. Click this arrow. You'll see two sections, subject and scene. First, upload 3 images of the exact car you want to use. Make sure they're the same car from 3 different angles. Next, take the prompt from the text file and paste it here, then hit Generate. You'll get an image like this. In my case, I don't need this image, so I'll delete it and keep this one. Now, remove all the subject images and upload this generated image as the new subject. Next, grab an image of a car tire like mine so we can generate the tire angle shot. Now, take the tire prompt from the text file, paste it here, and hit Generate. You'll get an image like this. Then, remove the tire scene image but keep the car subject image, and repeat the same process with the next prompts to generate the rest of the images. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel and share this with a friend. Once you're done, you should have a full set of images just like me. Now, for generating video, we'll use Grok AI, and you can see I'm using Super Grok. If you want to use Super Grok for free like I do, watch the tutorial link I pinned in the description. Now, choose your image, set it to 6 seconds, and select 720p resolution. Once that's set, upload your image, copy the motion prompt from the text file, paste it here, and hit Generate, and you'll get a video like this. Now, repeat the same steps for every image you want to animate. Once all the clips are done, we need to combine them into one perfect viral reel. For editing, I'll use CapCut, and if you want CapCut Pro on your PC for free, I made a full dedicated video. You can check it to get Lifetime Pro on the latest version for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And listen, skipping the editing is exactly why most videos don't go viral, because I'm about to show you a few secret hacks to crack the algorithm that nobody talks about. For now, follow the edit tutorial, and at the right moment, I'll show the viral tricks. Trick number 1. Name your project file exactly the same as your title with a single hashtag, and don't rename it later, because renaming inside the editor and naming it during export are not treated the same. Tip number 2. Don't use too many tags if you want YouTube or Instagram to push your video to more people. If you want a specific target audience, then use tags. But if you want broader reach, keep it clean. And if you want to learn paid SEO for free, I'm Wesley, always here for you. Just comment SEO tricks and I'll make that video for you. That's it for today. See you in the next one.